and welcome to the official start of Disney 2025. Today we're spending the day in Magic Kingdom, but before that we're going to Chef Mickey's for a breakfast, but it's a character breakfast with Goofy, Mickey, Minnie, Donald and Pluto. We are super excited, so we're going to head off to the Contemporary now. We had a lovely sleep in the Saratoga Springs, great shower, great beds, all very good. So let's head over to the Contemporary. So we have arrived at the Disney Contemporary. Oscar, what was your reaction on driving around Disney Resort?
Because when I got here, I thought, because first what I thought is that all the parts were squished together, but now I know there's a bunch of land that's
We're super excited. We'll obviously film when we're in Chef Mickey's and do short breakfast. Like there's definitely Mickey waffles, which is super exciting. There's, what are you going to have?
Oh, waffles.
Waffles, are you going to have waffles? They've probably got sausages as well, so it's super exciting. Arrived to Chef Mickey's and we're now going to go get some breakfast. We are super excited to get started. So there's cereals, milk, bagels. They also do dinner here as well. We'll go around here first and then we'll go over there. There is strawberry jam, butter, bagels again, turnovers, mini croissants, mini muffins, cinnamon rolls. Then we'll go over here. I'll come over here. We've got what I would call chips type of things, mash, eggs, French toast, pancakes, whipped cream, Mickey waffles. This is like tofu and stuff, corn-based hash, sausages. Look at the sausages, bacon again. Here's the kids section. Turkey sausage, scrambled eggs, toast barrels. Got a fruit selection. My first plate, I've got Mickey waffles and sausages. Oscar's got the same as me. Grandma's got fruit.
No, I'm going fruit, then scrambled egg and sausages, then pastry.
Stand next to Mickey then, darling.
So we've really enjoyed our time there at Chef Mickey's. Great selection of
music
food.
was really good.
Music was good. We're now heading to Magic Kingdom. We're going to get there by walking from the Contemporary to Magic Kingdom because we fancy the walk. And we're super excited for the day ahead. Security, so now we need to scan our Magic Bands while walking to the rest of Magic Kingdom and scan our Magic Bands. So we've arrived in the Magic Kingdom. The castle is behind us. And we are so excited. It is crazy. It's so crazy to be back here after 7 years. It feels like just yesterday though. And they're pumping up the smells from the confectionery. Yeah, that felt nice. And we're so excited. And we are walking through the castle now. Super, super, super excited. Here it is, Cinderella Castle. So we're headed to The Little Mermaid as our first Walt Disney World 2025 trip ride.
Under the sea, darling, it's written down where it's written, take it from me. Up on the shore they were broken, out in the sun they sail away. While we be walking, foot and floating under the sea. To shame, to ride, we gonna miss the world. Hey, see her.
So we went on Little Mermaid, and that was a walk-on practically, which is good. You should have seen some of the clips. There was a ride stop at one point, and that's okay. We were going to go in Dumbo Harbour, that's down at the minute. So we're going to head over to the Barnstormer that's got a 5-minute wait time. I don't know if I'll be able to film on that. If not, I'll get some off-ride footage. Just been on the Barnstormer, which you would have seen. Very jolty. However, enjoyed it, no doubt. I don't know what ride we're heading to next. However, the park is so incredibly quiet, I can't get over it. And I actually mean so incredibly quiet. That was a walk on as well. But yes, having fun here at Walt Disney for our ride on Tron. We're going on Tomorrowland Speedway. And when that's finished, we'll have our Fast Pass for Tron. Enjoyed our rides on Tron. Mummy and Daddy really liked it. What was your favourite bit, Daddy?
First bit. Fast bit.
Yeah, the launch. The launch when it gets you is crazy. I'll insert a picture now of me and Grandma on it and Mummy and Daddy on it. We're now heading over to It's a Small World, and then we have a what do we call it? A Fast Pass Lightning Lane. I keep calling it Fast Pass, it's Lightning Lane. A Lightning Lane for Tiana's Bayou Adventure, which we are excited to see because we haven't seen it yet. We rode the last Splash Mountain, so it'll be interesting to see the differences. We went on to Tiana and we thoroughly enjoyed that. And now me and Grandma are playing the standby line for Pirates of the Caribbean because Oscar decided that he wanted to go on that after we went on, so that's okay. But Pirates of the Caribbean keeps going down, so the wait time is long. But that's okay, it's in aircon. I've got my phone so I can film it.
Oh, the smell.
So after Pirates of the Caribbean, we went on to Peter Pan. Pirates of the Caribbean had a medium wait time because everybody left the queue and it went straight back up. So you'll now see some clips from on board the ride of Peter Pan. So we went on to Peter Pan there, as you should have seen.
I went on Tiana.
With some footage. Oscar then went on to Tiana. We're going to get some food now, either using our snack credit of the day or quick serve meal of the day. But I might save my quick serve for later at Saratoga Springs. We had a big breakfast this morning and just have something from the confectionery now. The Friendship Fair's on at the moment. Could insert some clips of that if I can get a good view. You might be able to hear it in the background. This is the Tiana scene of the Friendship Fair. I had something from the bakery, and Oscar had a hot dog. Grandma had something from the bakery, and Daddy had something from the bakery. Can't remember what Mummy had for lunch, using the Disney dining plan. We're now heading over to Seven Dwarfs Mine Train because we have a lightning lane for that. I think the Friendship Fair is about to start again shortly. There is, I would say, a moderate about a moderate amount of people here today, but not crazy busy. We are about to arrive at Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. I'll try and film a bit of footage now. So we just rode Little Mermaid again because Oscar wanted to do that, and now me, Mummy and Daddy are heading over to Tiana's Bayou Adventure to ride that all together. It's very hot. I think it's the peak of the day now, 35 degrees Celsius. So if I make a circular motion, it will make noises, I think. There you go. Hi everybody, I'm aware I haven't spoken for a while, apologies for that. Current time is 6:56. I think I must have left you about 3 to 4 hours ago, so a bit of a while. We came back to Saratoga Springs at about 3:30, and then we chilled out for a bit. We didn't lay down, we chilled out for a bit in our room, just to kind of, for the day. We have done today, this will only rise, 20,000 steps today, and we've walked 8.71 miles, so quite a lot considering we got into the park at 9 and left at 3, and we will definitely have days that we probably walk more than 20,000 steps and closer to the 30,000 step mark. Now I'm about to get changed to go and head into the swimming pool, and I believe they have quite a few located around the hotel. Then we're going to have dinner once again from the Artist Palette, just because it's easy. Tomorrow we are having dinner at the Wilderness Lodge Storybook Dining, so that's super exciting. And we're having a quick serve, hopefully, at Woody's Lunchbox, so that's new for us, we've never tried there before. And we're going to Hollywood Studios, early access from 8:30, so we can be in the park from 8:30, which is super exciting. And then in the evening, we're going to go and watch Happily Ever After, which of course I'll bring you along to, no doubt. I'm going to end this vlog here because I'm going to go and swim in the pool now. I just want to have some chill time away from the camera and thinking about vlogging. But thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you tomorrow for Hollywood Studios. And that'll be really good because there's lots of new areas in there, including Toy Story and Star Wars that we've never experienced before. Today we've had an absolutely incredible day, as hopefully you would have seen on the vlogs and through the pictures. Thanks everybody for watching. Please like, subscribe. When you subscribe, turn the notification bell on, so when we upload a new video, it will come into your feed so you can be one of the first people to watch it. Bye everybody.